personally spend a lot of time discussing with our technical team to never miss an opportunity of a technical evolution for our products. I feel like I'm helping the industry to be more performing and limit the material waste.
Do you want to know who the largest plasticizing equipment manufacturer in Asia is? We are Barrelize. We supply the leaders of plastic injection molding machines and extrusion machines. We provide equipment for better and more sustainable production environment.
Working in this very specific industry demands a lot of processes and control. We continue to update and implement the latest requirements in terms of quality. It is my duty to ensure the maximum quality produced within a healthy and safe environment of production.
We are currently producing about 70,000 units yearly. How do we manage that? We are cooperating with 5 of the current top 10 plastic injection machine worldwide. Our material stock management is strong of around 2,500 tons of imported and local material.
Time is everything. Thanks to the trust of our customer for many years, we built up a strong stock management to achieve light speed production. Knowing that you have a strong factory behind you respecting leading time, it makes really simple to organize our logistics and workflow.
Barrelize in number. 1,200 trained staff working on more than 800 machines. Complete process and operations indoor.
When I look back at what we are producing in the beginning compared to now, one word is coming to me: capacity. We are working very hard to achieve top standards, and that's what with our success, I believe.
Our added value resides in our own design office and internal management. Team composed of international industry experts.
Receiving international recognition from our clients really motivates me in my daily work. Strong of our spare parts stock, we can easily respond and recover any emergency. This is not something you can find with every supplier.
We work from the very first part. We provide safety replacement parts. As a leader of the market, we invest 3% of our turnover yearly to prepare the future of the industry. How did we become one of the largest plasticizing equipment manufacturer in the world? Founded in 1990, we provide services in the plastic industry with screws and barrels produced in our 80,000 square meter factory.
Being big doesn't mean that we don't know how to adapt. As an innovating factory, we have the expertise and knowledge to adjust our solutions following customer requirements. Finally, you find your partner that can deliver you quick.
We currently export 70% of our production to many countries, including USA, Turkey, Poland, and Serbia. We aim to deliver the prestigious machinery production industry from all over the world. Barrelize's vision is to create value in several growing sectors by providing simply high-value equipment. More than only producing screws and barrels for our customers, we remain at any time a problem solver for process improvement.